Another beautiful day in the MIA. You want to know why? Or better yet, do you want to see why? Follow me. Welcome to paradise. This is Miami, guys. Look at the skyline we get to enjoy today. Every time we do a new project, we say this is the best view. But honestly, this is a spectacular view. Number one in the last 6 years of doing smart films and servicing all of South Florida. What you see that way is South Beach. This is the bridge where, this is a causeway. We got Fisher Island, one of the most expensive zip codes in all of the country. We see the Port of Miami right on this side. We have literally home of all the cruise ships, the cruise liners from Norwegian, Carnival. Then behind that, you see the beautiful downtown. We got Brickell, we got Edgewater, we got Star Island, we got Palm Island, we got Hibiscus Island. And man, I'm not gonna lie, owning a home up here, I would never leave this at all. Working up here, enjoying these views every single day, I must say is a privilege. Work hard, all type of dreams come true. You want to learn how to install smart film, join our iTints Academy. Link is on the bottom. If you want to become an authorized reseller, if you're local to South Florida, already servicing windows, building, whether you're general contractor, interior designer, home automation company, become an authorized reseller. Apply, links below. And if you just want this for your own home, you know where you gotta call, iTints Technologies. So right there, we have one of the beautiful cruise liners leaving. It's the weekend, going somewhere spectacular, having a vacation. We got South Beach right over there, the famous South Beach. We got Fisher Island to the right. This unit is a full wraparound from all the way west to the east side. This is one of the most beautiful views I've ever witnessed, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Bring you behind the scenes, seeing how our iTints, and wow, look, I'm speechless. Literally, I'm speechless. Look at this, look at this. By far, number one, tops the chart, beautiful views we've ever worked on. So anyone knows about the history of Miami, it's evolved, it's revolutionizing the way that modern design, modern living is. We get to enjoy these views and also take a time to really just soak it in, breathe that beautiful Miami ocean breeze, and see how far we've gotten. We've built an amazing team. Our product is being known worldwide. We're revolutionizing the way window treatments get their privacy. And 6 years ago, this was just a dream. Now it's reality. If you want to learn how to become an iTints smart film technician, authorized reseller, or even a dealer, we have created the world's first training program, iTints Academy, to teach you how you can do what we do anywhere in the world. Step into the future with iTints Technologies.